I came across Derby a little over 3 months ago now, I think. I had adopted a dog through this rescue group called Peace and Paws. He was born with deformed front legs. And I kept looking at his photo and hearing his story, and I cried literally every time. Finally, I messaged her and I was like, okay, I'll do it, I'll foster, I'll take care of him. I had to try and help this dog. We decided to get him a cart, which worked quite well, but they limit his mobility in terms of being able to play with other dogs, and it's not really the full motion of running.
For this project, we're using a variety of 3D technologies, and that allows us to get in there and really modify the organic digital models quickly and easily and start to do the sort of designs that Derek wants us to do.
The great thing about using 3D technology in Derby's case is having these images on file on a computer and being able to print them is a lot quicker than having to hand sculpt every single mold and rebuild these braces 5-10 times.
With prosthetics in general, a lot of the designs are going to this Running Man sort of look. And I was concerned with doing a Running Man that he would end up digging them into the dirt. And so that's really where I came up with the loop idea.
Hey Derb, you got your new legs.
We started them off very low, and so that it wouldn't be too drastic. We have a line called the Project 5500, which enables us to run dual materials. That has really been key with designing his prosthetics.
I got it. I don't become impressed very quickly, but when I saw him sprinting like that, it was amazing. I couldn't believe it.
The first time he was put on them and he took off running, he was just so happy. I was absolutely amazed at how well he did.
He runs with Sherry and myself every day, at least 2 to 3 miles. He runs faster than both of us. He never really tires out. He's just so happy to do that.
This is what 3D printing is all about. To be able to help anybody, dog, person, whoever, to have a better life is just, there's no better thing to be involved in.